Are presentations important to you? How well your presentation goes, does it affect your career, your reputation? Whether you're a sales presenter, a professional speaker, author, or trainer, what you do off stage determines how well you do on stage. If your presentations matter, ask yourself this: what do people think 3 days, 3 months, 3 years after you take the stage? Are your presentations memorable or perishable? Anyone can stand in front of an audience and speak out words, but has your impact landed? Have you got your idea across? Have you pitched well? Have you inspired the audience? How do you know? See, there's a difference between a good presentation, a great presentation, and an unforgettable presentation. The process for creating them are different, very different. Who am I? My name is Darren LaCroix, and in 1992, I bombed miserably at a comedy club in Boston. It was horrible. Fast forward to 2001, I outspoke 25,000 contestants from 14 countries to become the world champion of public speaking. But here's what you need to know. I struggled trying to figure it out myself. It was hard and it was challenging. And it wasn't until 2001, till I met my coach, Mark Brown, that everything changed. He showed me how to find the powerful stories in me, how to pull them out, and how to put them in an order and a structure that would help me be unforgettable. My World Championship speech is now one of the most memorable in the contest, if you ask anyone who's seen it. But I don't say that to brag. This is about you and your presentations. If presentations matter and you truly want to know the process, the 7-step process to be unforgettable, join me and my coach, Mark Brown, for 2 days in Atlanta, Georgia. This is the only time this event is going to be on the East Coast and the only one this year. So join us for Unforgettable Presentations. Click and get details to see how you can walk away with the 7-step process and a brand new version 1.0 of a new keynote that inspires, educates, and entertains. Join Mark and me. You'll love it.